hung up on a couple things, waiting on some stuff to show up before I can move on to some other steps. So one thing I can do is go ahead and cut out this front deck, and I'm going to go ahead and do that today. What I'm going to use is a big piece of cardboard, and I plan on just laying it on top of the boat, and then the bends on the outside of the boat ought to be real close to the, where it's going to lay on the inside. It'll just be wider. So what I'm going to attempt to do is lay the big sheet of cardboard on top, mark it all the way out, cut it, and then make a cut in the middle, and then overlap the two pieces of cardboard and then put them to where they fit. This piece of cardboard isn't wide enough to go all the way to the back of the deck, so I'm going to have to put another strip, a third strip at the bottom, but that shouldn't be too tough. Alright, let's get started. Okay, so now I'm about to come in and notch around where these braces come up too high. It should be on each side. And then I can kind of fine tune anything that looks like it's not going to work out. Then I'm going to have to add one little strip right here at the back. Alright, so I got it taped together with packing tape. I went ahead and cut me 2 pieces for the back and taped them together too, and it's a little bit long, so now I'm going to draw me a line all the way across the back using the back edge of that deck frame. And now I'm going to flip it over and go ahead and tape the other side real good too. Alright, so there's my front deck template. I'm not going to cut this back out until I get this back piece put on. I'm gonna have to make another template for it, probably using this cardboard right here. I should be able to do it, but I want to make sure that, you know, nothing crazy is going on. It's got a little bit of a bend to it, or this piece is going to have a little bit of a bend to it right here. So I want to make sure that it's not going to, you know, have a big bend up here in the corner. So I'm going to hold off on cutting out this until I get that put on. The back part of this deck is going to be 50.5 inches, and the sheets I got are only 4 foot wide, 48 inches. So I'm gonna have to two-piece this thing. Luckily I got that middle brace that Jacob welded in, and his 34 inches, and at the widest part right there is right at 48 inches. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna lay my template down on my sheet of aluminum and then just draw it out, and the widest part is probably gonna go right to where I cut it. But once I take it off, I'm gonna pull a measurement to 34 inches because that is halfway from the front part of where the deck goes to the middle part of that middle brace, 34 inches. Cut it out and kind of lay it up here, and then I'll pull a measurement for what the back piece needs to be. So it'll all work out, two pieces. Let's get to cutting. It doesn't look terrible. It went together pretty good. I was kind of worried about having the two-piece, that front part, and I was also worried about that front face. It's not square, it's got to have a curve to it, and it will have like a little bit of a bow to it just because of the way it is, but I think it's going to look okay. I really can't, that's as far as I can go with the front deck until I get the hatch in. I actually ordered a whole different hatch today because I'm tired of fooling with these people, which I don't really think it's their fault. It's USPS. It just, I don't know, it got lost or something in shipping, but I ended up finding one that's bigger, but it's almost twice the price, but I think I'll like it a lot better, and it'll be here Friday, which today's Monday, so it's going to be in that very back piece, so I'll have to cut a hole out in it, and then I can figure out where all the rest of my braces need to go, and then I can figure out where to put that small hatch at. And the front panel is, I'm just going to paint it, and it's going to be my electrical panel, and I think I'm going to do some rod storage. 3 PVC pipes. I'm going to drill 3 holes in it on this side, the left hand side, and run some pipe through, and then on the other end build some kind of little thing to put the butt into the rods in. If that hatch don't come in, I can go ahead and start working on that rod storage spot. It's not going to be a rod locker, because to do a rod locker you got to get a lid for it. Man, them things are so expensive, so I'm going to hold off on that on this boat. But I'm pretty pleased with how it turned out today. Like I said, you know, I think I'm over that hump of the roller coaster, and it's all downhill from here. So everything's coming together pretty good. I appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you on the next one.